We have just checked into the Intercontinental Thalasso, into our overwater bungalow, number 105. Let's take a tour. So right in here, there's a little living area, the large TV, mini bar, has some Nespresso pods for $2.50 each, and pretty well stocked mini bar. Got sitting area, the coffee table that is a glass coffee table so you can see the water and the fish underneath. And then going out here is our own little private balcony, veranda, overlooking the lagoon. Of course, it would have been nicer if we had a view of the mountain, but I'm not going to complain. So here there's another door that goes into the bedroom. And here is the bed, which is killer. Looks out over the lagoon too. It has its own TV. And then coming around here, we can go to the bathroom. You can see the tub here in front of its own window. Double sinks. Walk-in shower. And then lastly, behind the bed is the closet. Really large closet. It'd be nice to unpack here for a few days. Staying here for 3 nights and we are super thrilled. So that is a look at our room at the Intercontinental Thalasso, Bora Bora. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos from our Bora Bora trip and how you can do it too.